All right, I was gonna go back and forth through charts, but now I know it's gonna do that. We'll just look at this one. But look, guys, you guys should stay plugged into the FRX funding powerhouse. Stay plugged in. Let's see, can I annotate now? Oh, heck yeah, awesome. This whole move here would be my shoulder. This is gonna be my head. Boom, we change character. Perfect. We're looking for very, very similar areas, right? I would be looking for this area for my shoulder, right? Super crooked, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And then same down here, right? This is my shoulder, the head. Boom, we blast off. We change character to the upside. I would be looking for this area here. Very, very similar zones, right? Same market structure, just looking at it slightly different, right? I love this stuff, honestly. I love that we're looking at the same market structure. Literally everybody who is sending in trades in that chat is looking at similar structure. We just trade it slightly different, right? We just trade it slightly different. But I love this. I love this, guys. Stay plugged in to the FRX Funding Powerhouse chat. But let's go ahead and we'll get into our lesson today. Am I recording it? All right, cool. I totally slipped my mind. Shout out to Habibi. All right, bet. So right now, we are going to be covering our supply and demand opportunity, and then we'll go into the violation and how that works into the head and shoulder. Right, so let's just say we have a nice drop down. Okay. When we pull back, market is giving us a zone we have to break through. Boom, we got to break through that to continue our BOS to the downside. Right, so let's go ahead and draw some candles real quick. Oh, let's go ahead. Green, I need a green. Need a green. And we'll just continue. Make it simple. Okay, cool. Market's giving us a pullback. Awesome. Now, we know we need to break through this to continue our bearish run, right? So let's just go ahead. Market is starting to drop off. Market's starting to drop off. Awesome. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Boom. We get that BOS to the downside, right? Let's go ahead and make everything clear. I hope you guys are taking notes. BOS to the downside. Where's my, okay, cool. BOS, let me pull up the chats real quick. Okay, got them. Awesome. So at this point, we have to start looking for our supply zone, right? We already got our BOS continuation down here, right? That was the BOS move. So when we identify this rally, boom, this whole rally, we have to follow this rally back up and find the last buying candle. And this will be right here. We got to find the last buying opportunity candle, right? So let's just go ahead. We'll mark this up. We'll throw a wick on there. Some wicks. Boom. Let's go ahead. We'll mark it up from wick to wick. Levels likes to mark it up from wick to wick. I know some people like to mark it up body to body. That's totally up to you, right? The goal is to identify the candle, right? I know some educators like to mark it up body to body. Some like to do wick to wick, right? So definitely back test and definitely trust your educator, right? So once we get this, okay, cool. We've identified our supply zone. So now we're waiting for market to come back up and give us a nice sell opportunity, right? So as market comes back up, boom, let's go ahead. Market's doing its thing. Now, what's one thing we pay attention to as levels traders? Who want to unmute? Or you can type it. Pullbacks. Let's go. Right, so as the market's coming up to our sell zone, we want to sell in this area. Right? I like to get in as soon as it touches. Some people like to go to the 50%. That's totally up to you. Right? Or you could wait for the confirmation. And I'm going to show you the difference right now. Because some people don't like to enter on the first touch. Right? And that's okay. I feel you. Right? You want to make, be sure that market's going to go your way. So this is how we do that. Right? This orange line is going to be my alarm. Right? So as market continues to go higher and give me a pullback, Market goes higher, pulls back, goes higher. I'm gonna adjust. Right, market goes higher, pulls back, goes higher, and now market has now entered my entry. Boom, this is my closest pullback to my entry. So all I gotta do now, I'm already in on a test trade. Right, levels, we like the test trade zones. 0.01 test trade. Boom, I'm in there like swimwear. 0.01. Right, how do I know market's gonna go my way? Well, this orange line here is my alarm. I set it to break and close below. Right, so if it wants to come down and play around and go back up, play around, go back up, and close above, I haven't been alert yet. Right, market has to break and close below. Boom. Once market breaks and closes below, that gives us a little change of character right here in this area, giving us the confirmation to the downside. So what we do now, we mark up this zone, and this is going to be our confirmation trade. This is going to be my stop. So let's just go ahead and adjust. So right here, we're going to put a lot size that fits our trading account. Confirmation trade. Oops. Confirmation trade. Let's see. Let's put it, yeah, let's just put it right here. Let's just put 0.15 for an example. I'm just picking a random lot size, right? 0.01. This is our test trade. We're testing the waters right here, right? We're not going to put all our eggs in one basket. We're going to let the market do its thing, and once market gives us this break and close below with the alert, boom, now we got some confirmation. So when market comes back, we can put a lot size that fits our trading account. So market wants to come back, do its thing, boom, we'll go ahead and enter the markets and ride that wave back down. Does that make sense, fam? Give me a 1 if that makes sense. Nice. Nice. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, cool. Cool. So this is how we're going to find our continuation trades, right? Let's just go ahead and we'll go over the violation of the supply. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, cool. So as market's coming back up, we're looking to take some sell opportunities, right? So let's just go ahead. Let's get ready. We'll put our stop loss above the high here. Minimum 1 to 3. Cool. We're looking for sales, right? Market's been bearish for a while. We're going to look to ride that wave, right? So as market comes right back up, let's just go ahead. Boom. Let's give it a little pullback here. Try to draw things very specific for you guys. Let's see. Come on. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, cool. Alright, so this supply just got violated. Dang, it's okay. You know, you got to wear that loss like a boss right there on the chin. Just like, okay, tip your cap to the market. I see you, market. You know, that's all you got to say. You know, I see you. I see what you really want to do now. You don't want to continue to sell right now. You want to go ahead and buy up, right? So what we do is we adjust. right? So this was our old supply, and we can go ahead and take a break and retest off of that, right? We can go ahead and take a retest off of that. Now, this is going to happen pretty often, right? So how would you want to catch this trade? Well, the same way we do any other trade. We want to pay attention to pullbacks. So as market pulls back and drops lower, let's go ahead and draw our alert line. Boom, awesome. Market pulls back and goes lower and now touched our zone. So now we have to go ahead and adjust our alert line. So maybe you haven't entered this market yet, right? You want to, have confirmation. You just got clapped right here. You just hit stop loss. And trust me, I get it. You want to have confirmations. So if we can get this market to pump up and break above this line, break and close above, boom, our alert just went off. Let's go. We mark up our zones and wait for market to come back so we can go ahead and enter that buy. Does that make sense? Because this will happen, trust me. Lower time frame, higher time frame, this is going to happen. It happens pretty often, right? It'll save this supply. It'll save this demand for later. Right, let's go ahead and change this to green. It'll save that demand for later. And I know you guys see this inverted head and shoulder. Yes, that would be a retest. Yes, yep. And now you know why it's retesting, Skylar. You know what I mean? Now you know why. Because it's violating supply. Right? Coming back to retest this previous structure. Coming back to retest this previous supply that failed. Boom, let's take that buy up. Right? It'll save this demand zone for later. Right? So let's just say, boom, market gives us that opportunity. Awesome. We're going to go ahead and continue to adjust. Make sure we mark up everything with detail. Boom. All right, now we see the market. This move already happened. Cool. I hope you guys caught that. So now, market's up here right now, right? Boom. Market's up here. So where's our closest pullback with this Picasso right now? Our closest pullback is right here. Right? Which means I have a starting point right here. Boom. Right? So in this area, this zone is going to be my demand. Right? That's going to be my demand. Boom. So when you're already seeing market's going to go, you're like, oh, let's go, baby. Market's already taking off. Right? But again, we still have this down here. Let's go ahead and just draw this out with some wicks. Make sure it's detailed. Right, we already know we have a good buy down here. Market's gonna do its thing, create some liquidity. Right, create some liquidity for us. Right, so as market comes back, we're thinking, okay, let's go ahead and take this buy opportunity. Right, and market may respect it. Don't get me wrong, market may give some pips. Right, market may give some pips. But what happens if we break and close below this? Oh, we coming back right here. So now we have a possible head and shoulder for the sell and a break and retest for the sell. I'm just going to make this a little smaller for the drawing. But you already know. Right, we can delete this because we already knew market created liquidity. Right, let's go ahead and stay sharp. Boom. So now we have possible sell opportunities, and we've been waiting for a long time for these buys. Right, let's just say we've been waiting for 2 weeks, a week. Right, you already know there's some setups where you've been waiting for a while. You're like, dude, when is it going to come back? Right, market structure will respect. So whether we come back and take a break and retest, again, how do you know this break and retest is going to hold? Market goes up, pulls back. Where's my alert line? That's a super long alert line. Let's go ahead and try to make this a little bigger. Let's stretch this out. Boom. All right, cool. Market goes up, pulls back. Okay, so, dude, market has already entered this break and retest, right? How do we know market's going to actually respect it? Well, it has to break this zone here. Has to, right? What if market comes all the way back down but doesn't break below? What if it comes down with the candle but then closes above? It can still come back up, guys. It could still come back up. Market goes higher, pulls back. So now it has to break this. Has to break this. Market goes up and pulls back. Market now has to break this. So now that we can see this zone wasn't really respected that well, right? We can just go ahead and delete this because we already know we have a good sell opportunity right here. Trust me, guys, it's going to happen just like this in the market, right? I'm trying to make my drawing super clean, and hopefully they don't get messy, but they will, and so will your charts, and that's why you have to adjust, right? So we have a nice opportunity right here. Market comes up, boom, touches my zone. We know that it has to break below this right here. Market drops. We get that break below. Awesome. Awesome. Now we can go ahead, take this sell opportunity down to this buy. We've been waiting for this buy for a long time, right? Not only that, and again, this is a drawing, but I'm trying to draw things out as clean as possible, because when you get to a chart that looks very similar, guys, you guys should already have this stuff in your notes. Boom. We have a ton of liquidity right here, along with a nice buy opportunity. So when market comes back, guys, don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. All this noise, yes, it's going to be a super big stop loss. It's okay. Don't cry. It's just a drawing. It's not a signal. Boom. So when market comes back, guys, don't be scared. You already know what to do. All of this stuff right here, all of it's just noise to fake you out. All of it's just noise to fake you out. And I'm making this drawing super clean, right? It might not even look this clean, but it's going to have a ton of noise in this area to fake you out when we already know all of Powerhouse has been waiting for this buy opportunity. Does that make sense? So let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead and continue. Market pulls back and drops down lower. I need my alert. I need my alert. This zone has already been touched. Let's go ahead and clean that up. Boom. Market pulls back, goes lower. I need my alert. Market pulls back, goes lower. Market has now entered our zones for buys. We have to move our alert. We have to adjust, because market can literally chill in this area for a while, guys. Especially if you're trading this structure on a daily, weekly time frame, market can literally chill in this area, go back and forth for a while. And as soon as we get that break and close above, boom, we just got an alert. What are we going to do? We're going to go ahead and mark that up. This was our test trade. Remember what I was talking about with test trades? 0.01 retest trade. Boom. As soon as we get confirmation, we already know what we want to do. This is going to be our stop loss. Let's go ahead and stack some trades so we can go ahead and ride this wave. Let's see. What am I missing? I'm missing. Okay. Let me see. .15 confirmation trade. Confirmation trade. Oh, I'm big tripping today, my boy. Boom. Right here. So a market comes back, we already know what we want to do, guys. We already know what we want to do. Let's not second guess. Boom. Let's take that buy. Does that make sense, fam? Give me a 5 if this is making sense right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa, what's up, Kenny? What's good, bro? Miss you, bro.
What's good, player?
Let's go. We alive. We alive today. Let's see. Let's look at some things. I like USD CAD. I was looking at the same zones Raph is looking at. I believe he has this zone here marked up, which is pretty nice. Let's move this out the way. Alright. So right away, this is what I'm seeing. Right? Market is dropping down, consolidating a bit. We move sideways. This is consolidation, guys. 4-hour time frame. We move a little bit sideways. Hey, this is it right here. We drop down lower and then immediately push back up, and we don't stop till right here on the 4-hour. My bad. Let me go ahead and turn off my fan. That's funny. Back up. You chilling or what? Alright. How about now? Is it still tornado? Yo, my fan be super strong, bro. Alright, so here's my inverted. Alright, bet. Hey, make sure y'all let me know. Alright, that's my inverted play. So on the 4-hour time frame, notice how we have no interruptions. These are all green candles. All green candles. Right? Boom. This right here is going to be my demand. Let's go ahead and stretch that out. Boom. So now we have possible buy zones right here in this area. Right? But, let's see. Oh no, this is it. My bad. Alright, cool. And I also see possible sell zones. Right? Notice how we get a shoulder, and we get a head that goes higher, and then we change character. Boom. Break and retest. Change character. Boom. That's my play right now. That's what I'm seeing right now. Along with Raph. That's pretty much what I'm waiting for. Oh my goodness, did it give me the shoulder? It barely missed that, bro. Barely missed that. Crazy. Maybe somebody got in. Alright, look. But I like this. I like this opportunity a lot. Let's see. So notice how market did consolidate, and then we went up a little higher. Consolidation. Boom, news happened for sure. Now market's starting to drop down. All right, so let's go ahead. We can see this is a rally breakout to the upside. So this is technically The gray box is my shoulder zones. My shoulder zones. Shoulder, head, change of character. Shoulder, head, change of character. Right, so this would be my supply, but I'm in the middle of no man's land. Right, and not only that, this is liquidity. So let's just go ahead. We'll identify. And if you got, I'm telling you, look at Raf's chart. It's super clean. And he's marking this up too. Right? I'm just confirming when it comes to levels. Right? So look, check me out. If this buy is going to be valid, if this demand is going to be valid, notice how it's pulling back right here. Market drops down, pulls back. We should have an alarm set. If you're trading USD CAD, boom, that should be an alert. Now, if market drops down and hits this zone in the morning and then pushes above this zone and breaks and closes above, well, we may just continue to expect USD CAD to rise and come give us this zone. Or maybe it won't come give it to it, but it'll push up a little higher. Right? But let's just say market fails to hold and market actually breaks and closes below. Boom. This needs to be black. Boom. Alright. Breaks and closes below. That just gave us a change of character to the downside. Boom. So now what can we do? Right, we can come and we can wait for market to give us a break and retest off of the failed demand, or we can go ahead and mark up our right shoulders. Boom. One of these zones are going to get respected, guys. One of these zones are going to get respected, so we can go ahead and shift that market down. Because this is what? This is still a couple pips. Well, we still got time. This is over 100 pips, right? So we still don't know. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. I'm pretty much showing you guys how I think, right? Because you gotta see the market and you gotta think in probabilities, right? This is the first probability right now. This is what market is giving us. Let's see. Yeah, this is what market's giving us. On the 1 hour time frame, this is saying this is the demand zone. So on the 1 hour time frame, this last selling opportunity candle, this is my demand right there. Notice, boom, we're right there right now. I mean, not right there, but if we could change character, I mean, it's not that far away. Change character, let's see. So we can go ahead and let's see, let's delete that. I would just set an alert. You guys never know. Set an alert for a break and close above. For a break and close above. If we break and close above, something's going to give us a push up. Something is going to give us a push up. But yes, USD CAD, I like this. I agree with this. I'm waiting for this as well. I'm waiting for this as well. Let's see. I like this zone too, actually. I like this zone too. Let's see. Either or is fine, honestly. You just wait for a change of character off of them. Just gotta wait for a change of character off of it. That's it, really. Let's see. I'm pretty sure the 886 will be up in the higher zone. Yeah, it would definitely be up in this zone. But just wait for a change of character off of them. The point is to identify. Identify your pullbacks. Market hits my zone. Market has to change character here. Market doesn't. It's gonna go higher. Market touches this zone. It has to change character here. It gives it to us. Okay, let's scale in. All right. The point is to identify the zone and then identify the setup as soon as it comes in. I like that though. USD CAD. I like USD CAD. We could just delete this for now, but I would just for the visual. But I would definitely, keep that in mind. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, there we go. That's crazy. Okay, look. That's like double confirmation onto why I would buy right there. So that looks like a huge inverted. Huge. Change of character. I mean, that would be the BOS continuation technically, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Shoulder. Head. Boom. Market's making its way down. Notice how both of these zones are overlapped. I love when they're overlapped like that. Love it. I love when they're overlapped like that. So now all I know is I just gotta worry about pullbacks. Levels worries about pullbacks, guys. Market breaks and closes below. We catch a break and retest. Cool. Pullback. Pullback. Market touches the first zone. We have to break above this. It doesn't, it fails. It's gonna go lower. Market touches my zone. Has to break above this. If it doesn't, it's gonna go lower. Market touches this demand. Has to break above this. It breaks above. Let's go ahead and scale in. I like this. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Let's see. Let's see. My goodness, my throat itches, bro. Oh my goodness. What? You see these head and shoulders being respected the whole way down? Let's just take a look. You gotta love when market gives you some just good plays. It's not gonna happen all the time, but gosh, you just gotta love it. Notice how market's giving you this blue box. Let's just worry about this blue box right now. Let's turn it off. Okay, cool. So notice, this would be our stop. All of this is all consolidation, guys. This is all noise. Let the market do its thing. Let the market do its thing. Market breaks above and then immediately drops down. Now, let's see. Let's see. I would have loved for it to break below this wick, and it doesn't. I would have loved for that to break below that for a better confirmation. But look, market comes back to this zone, and it's respected. And as soon as it comes back to this zone, all I got to do is worry about pullbacks, guys. One last pullback right here. Market drops down, changes character. Boom. Let's go ahead and adjust. So now instead of using this one, because we never really got the confirmation, it was technically just caught in consolidation. Right? Market drops, it gets caught in consolidation again. Does its thing, moves back up. Right? So this didn't really give us a confirmation. But as soon as we get what we need right here, guys, let's just readjust. Readjust. Where is it at? Boom. We readjust. Boom. Awesome. Let's go ahead and delete. We'll delete, keep everything fresh. Okay, well, this is my shoulder. Where would my supply zone be? Where would my supply zone be? Right, this is going to be my rally breakout, right? Notice how we do get my last pullback. This is a rally breakout. 1, 2, 3 candle rally, and we do break below. This last buying candle would be my supply zone. Boom. Notice how we get that confirmation. Comes right back in there. Double confirmation. Supply, shoulder. Boom. Right in that zone. Stop loss is going above the high. Does that make sense, guys? Look at this too. Notice how we do get a break and retest off this previous demand. That would also be the break and retest too. You know what I mean? Same thing. It's the same. You get a nice break and retest. That shifts the market. Let's see. Let's just count the pips because every pip counts. Let's see. If you get in at the 50, you get about 12 pips to draw down, but you do get 120 pips. That's nice. That's nice movement, right? Market comes back to this supply zone, comes back to this right shoulder. And depending on where you enter, I'll just put it in between. You get around 180 plus pips. Now that's a good trade. That's definitely a good trade. Give me a 5 if this is making sense, guys. Let me know. Nice. Now look, Levels is letting you know. Levels is letting you know. Look, there's one right here. Yo, Richie, Miguel, Zach. Yo, there's a zone right here you should worry about, bro. Just in case. Just letting you know. Now everything starts over. You don't got to worry about this. You just delete. Like, it's all good. You don't got to worry about it. That zone's already hit. Let's see. There's a stop loss there. Pull back. Market hits your stop, but it closes below. Hits stop, closes below should have been your first indication to why we could have got back in again. Right, so let's just take a look. Again, all this, we're just looking at charts and we're just identifying and we're picking and deep diving into the chart work analysis. Right, that's what I'm here to do for you guys. Let's see, did it come back and touch a supply zone? Okay, cool. So notice how market breaks below this and this when market rallies and breaks below, right? So this last buying opportunity candle would be my my supply zone, right on top, or right, sandwiched up with my shoulder. Market comes right in there. Right, but notice how market stays below my stop. I would have hopped back in personally. I would have definitely hopped back in personally. But let's just take a look. And that was double confirmation to why market was liking that area. So let's just take a look what we can see anywhere in here, because we want to catch this trade at the highest point possible after getting stop lossed. Right, we get stop loss, we want to catch that trade right at the very, very tippity top if we can. Okay, cool. So I'm seeing a couple possible entries, honestly. I'm gonna focus on the very, very top one because that's honestly all you need. Notice how we just got stop lossed. Where's my closest pullback to my stop loss? Pullback. We just got stopped out. We just got stopped out. So this on a lower time frame would be my demand zone. Look, it does get respected. We do buy up. It just doesn't give us that continuation big pump. Gets a little move and then we get disrespected, right? So we could have took that opportunity right there, right? That was the break and retest of the failing demand, right? That's one way you could have caught this trade. Cool. Let's go ahead and see how we could have caught it again. Yo, can you hear my dog? The guy is going ham on himself. All right, look. This is, even though it's one candle, it is a break and close. Not really a rally of candles, but it is a break and close. So this candle right here would be my supply. Boom. Wick entry. Market drops. Now, the last one I would have waited for would have been this left shoulder. Market doesn't come in there. Market doesn't go high enough. But just off this previous failed demand and this new supply zone, Guys, you could have entered on that easy. With market breaks and closes below, guys, that's already confirmation. That's already confirmation market wants to continue down. Break and close below, find an entry point. All you have to do is find one. Identify one, stick to it, calculate your risk, and let the market go. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Awesome, thank you. Let's see. Where does this go? Let's go up to the 15 real quick. Let's see if we get a cut something on the 15. Do we break and close below this? No, we don't. Pretty sketch. Pretty sketch. I do see another way we could have caught this, though. I do see another way. Now, because we don't have this confirmation, break and close below, I wouldn't have, let's just delete this. I wouldn't have used this personally. Right? Because we don't have this confirmation, guys, I'm not willing to take an aggressive sell opportunity. Even though we've seen it happen time and time again, I'm not willing to take and risk a loss right there. Right? What I'm going to do, is I'm just going to pay attention to my closest pullback to that zone. Because I don't need to get the first touch, guys. Everybody wants to get right here. Yeah, we don't need to get in on the first touch. Right? Boom. Market pulls back. Consolidation. Market touches this zone. All we got to do is wait. All we got to do is wait. Break and retest. Now I like this zone specifically because we are on the 15-minute, and this is the higher low, right? Let's just turn this off. Market gives us a high, market gives us a low, and then the rules to the supply and demand is we need to get a rally breakout. So do we get a rally breakout to the upside? Yes, we do. 1, 2, 3 candle rally, and we do break above. So this is my demand. Right? Notice how this demand fails. We actually break and close and change character of the actual swing low here. Boom. Nice break and retest. Nice demand violation. And we take the sell again. Does that make sense, guys? Give me a 5. If you're confused, give me a question mark. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Does it come back and miss? Okay. Oh, that's not even it. Never mind. All right, bet. Nice. I love it. I love it. I'm telling you guys, because sometimes market will be, it'll get you in. It'll hit your break even a couple times. So you got to really know how to get back in, with confidence on any time frame. And I'm doing this back and forth on time frames to show you, like, all we're doing is waiting for the same exact thing. You know what I mean? All we're doing is waiting for the same exact thing. Let's take a look at the dollar. Let's break it down from the weekly real quick. So we called out this buy opportunity right around right here. Boom. That was my head and shoulder violation. Shoulder, head, change of character. So we were looking for sells and market came back, right? Notice how we do get a little bit of respect. Now this is the weekly, so technically we got 1 week in profit, 2 week in profit, 3 week in profit, and then boom, market jumps. Right? So where's our stop loss? Our stop loss right here. Boom. Just got a violation. All we have to do is wait for market to come back. Look at how long from the violation to the touch of the zone. 427 days. But look at that movement we just got off that zone. Look at that movement. It's okay to wait, guys. Set an alarm. Set an alarm. But look, so now we're expecting bullish momentum, which we got. Awesome. Great. Where is this market going to? It's heading to something. Where's your stop on the violation? Right here. And again, this is the weekly. right here. It's already hit a 1 to 3. Let's go. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Let's go. So that already hit a 1 to 3 if you're looking to trade the dollar, right? But where is it heading to? So for me, I'm looking at this. Let's look at this trend. Trend was bullish right here. Trend, and then what happened? Market broke and closed below. Break and retest again. Market shifts down. So on every time frame, this is happening, guys. If you guys are seeing this on every time frame, trust it. Trust what you see. Trust what you see, right? So for me, I'm looking for possible rejections right here. So market's heading up there, right? But look, take a look. Take a look. Notice how market gives me a swing low, and then market pulls back as high as this, and then market kind of gets trapped inside of that, right? So for me, I'm looking to see if we can get a rejection off something right there. Notice how market's already playing around, right? So my next possible buy, if market goes way lower, would be this inverted area. Let's go ahead and change that zone to black, and I'll change this zone to black as well, just so we know what we're looking at, right? I'm liking that. I'm liking that a lot. Did we get a violation? Oh my goodness, we did. Oh my goodness, we did. Again, different time frames, they're gonna give you different opportunities, guys, right? Look at how this is a rally breakout right here. 1 candle, 2 candle rally breakout to the downside, right? So technically this should be your supply. Notice how market does come in and get a rejection, and then market says, nah, not today, and we break above, we tap, and we take off. Crazy movement. But let's just take a look. Okay, so we just broke above, and it's looking like a head and shoulder setup, like it wants to come back down. But we don't have a break and close below on the daily. So let's just take a look. So we know this was zone to the left. Cool. Because we don't have a break and close below, I don't really want to take this sell opportunity when market has been heavily uptrending. Guys, be careful of this. This is why the head and shoulder pattern has so much hate when it comes to trading the retail price, right? People are trading the retail price when they do not have a break and close below. When they do not have a break and close below. We trade the head and shoulders like smart money concepts with this change of character, right? So because this does not have a break and close below, I would be skeptical to take this sell opportunity. Now, we do have it in profit, right? It did respect, we do have it in profit, and we did break and close below. So now I would be looking to see if market can respect this area. Let's go ahead and put a stop loss right there. That's my stop. Right, now let's just see if this setup right here, let's just move this. Let's see if this setup right here can give us push with the dollar. All right, let's just see if this setup right here can give us push with the dollar. Right. But other than that, all we do is wait now. If market breaks above, if market breaks and closes above, well then we just got violated. We can use this zone as buy opportunities for the dollar, along with an inverted setup, especially if we break and close above, right? Shoulder, head, break and close above. Now we have two possible buy opportunities for the dollar. Does that make sense? Let me know, guys. Let me know. If you're confused, please put a question mark. If you're confused, please put a question mark. But yeah, as of right now, this is what I'm looking at with the dollar. And again, I'm still expecting some bullish movement. So I mean, we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait, guys. Let's see. We got 5 minutes. Who wants to give me a pair?
Hey Vinny, I think somebody
Patrick.
dropped a
Yeah, I
question
just
mark.
saw that. I just saw that. What's up, Patrick? Talk to me. How are you confused? Where did you get lost at?
Hey man, just where you were like explaining like the last step that you were doing.
Okay, so just with this, what market is showing us right now, I'm looking at sell opportunities because market did change character off of this zone, right? So if market can come and give some respect, I wouldn't mind that, right? We can go ahead and take some sell opportunities with the dollar. Now, if the dollar drops, anything with USD in the front, like USD JPY, if the dollar drops, USD JPY will drop. USD CAD will drop. I don't know anything with USD in the front. Give you some. But if it's USD in the back, right? AUD USD. If the dollar drops, AUD USD will rise. GBP USD will rise. Right? So when we look at the dollar, we can use the market structure here for the pairs that we trade. Right? So this is very, very helpful. Now, I like to look at it step by step. So this is the first step that I see. I have to trust what I see right now. This is the first step. Now, if market breaks above, we just got violated for that sell opportunity. Now, I'm not sure how long you've been with this, but a lot of us know that once we get a violation, we can use this purple zone for buy opportunities. So all we got to do is wait for market to come back to this area. Boom. And we could take some buys. Right? Now, there's two setups when it comes to this right here, because not only do we have the head and shoulder violation right here for buys, but we also have an inverted. So that's why I help you guys identify both zones just in case, right? Shoulder, head, we drop lower, we change character, right shoulder right here. So this would be the violation, and then this would be the inverted. It's going to be very close together. Sometimes it's very confusing. So it would be like this. Boom. Right? So in retrospect, let's just delete this because I don't want you to get confused. Actually, let's just move it over here because this is my stop loss technically. Right? But if we change character and we actually break above, now I have one opportunity right here, and then our second opportunity right here. Now, which one, how do we know it's going to be respected? Well, all we have to do is worry about pullbacks. Again, we're on the 4 hour, so if you want to drop down to the 1 hour or the 15 to see some pullbacks, be my guest. Market drops down, pulls back. Market drops down, pulls back. Market now touched my zone. It has to break above and close above this zone here in order for us to go ahead, boom, get some confirmation. Right now, if it doesn't change character off that zone, now we know that we have a better hunch. I guess we don't want to say we know, but we have a better hunch that it's going to go towards this one. Boom. Market touches my zone. Now market has to break above this in order for me to get that confirmation for buys. Does that make sense, Patrick? Just wanted to give you some detail.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Awesome. US 30. Bro. Toxic, bro. You must like the toxicas, bruh. Let's see. Toxic life only. You guys are funny, bro. I love it. Let's see. I don't really look at the indices when inside of here. It doesn't look the same on the indice chart that I trade. So I look it up in here. Anytime you look it up, it'll always go to the dollar. I don't know why. But long USD MXN. Oh, bro. Come on, bro. Oh man, this looks beautiful right now. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. I'm gonna go fast because it's 39 and we got a California call, leadership call. I'm not sure where you're in sales at. If you want to send the chart link, that'd be cool. Wouldn't mind looking at it. But this is what I'm seeing. All right, let's go to the daily real quick. I just want to see some higher time frame structure. All right, cool. So this is what I'm seeing. Consolidation. Consolidation. The head, we change character. I wouldn't mind looking for something right here. Now we're heading up there. All right, we're heading up. Right, what else do I see? All right, I'm seeing this as well. Notice how we consolidate in this area back and forth. Now, market has to break this low in order for us to get that continuation, right? All of this is my head. It's just noise. We change character. So now we have two zones pretty much right on top of each other. So I'm waiting for a reaction off of this. This is what I have marked up. Let's see. Let's see. You could even, like, there's so many zones that are right here, guys. You just have to identify them and wait for the zone. Notice how we come back higher. Market needs to break below. We get that break below. Actually, let's go back. Yes, this is going to be on my YouTube. I'm going to put this on my YouTube. We break and close below. Oh, we do get this. I think it does. Boom, right shoulder. All right, cool. So never mind. We'll just stick with this. We'll just stick with this. All right, market's heading up. Market's heading up right now. Again, we're on the daily. Pull back. Boom. Drops lower. Market needs to break above. Let's see where it exactly broke above. This green candle. Awesome. We could delete that. I would not mind looking for buy opportunities around this area. Now let's just take a look on a lower time frame to see what matches with that. Let's shrink that zone. That's a little big. I'll use this area. That's not too bad. Okay, cool. So now I'm seeing a couple things on a lower time frame. Right, notice how we do break above this. Not only this as well. Rally breakout. This right here would be my demand zone. Green, extend right, demand. Now you're good. Right, so now we have a demand zone right there. Cool. So now, oh man, look at how market came back. All right, I ain't gonna worry about it. We good. I ain't gonna worry about it because we didn't get the confirmation till right here. Oh, on the 4 hour though, comes right back. All right, so on the 4 hour, we got it. Hey, I missed it. It is what it is. Now check me out. Looks like it's happening all over again. Head, change of character, awesome. Let's go ahead. There's a rally breakout. This right here is my demand. Let's see, the 1 hour, this is my demand zone. So cool. So market wants to come back. All we got to do is pay attention to pullbacks. Pay attention to pullbacks. Boom, market hits the zone. We can enter if you like, test trade it. We get that confirmation. Let's start looking for some buy opportunities. Let's start looking for some buy opportunities. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I'm going to use this one instead. But notice how it still lines up inside these zones. This is crazy. I'm going to use this instead. This is cleaner. This is where current market structure is. So I'm going to use this instead. Boom. So now we're just waiting for market to come back and do its thing, right? We're just waiting. We're just waiting for market to come back and do its thing. And it's a waiting game, guys. I mean, that's all it is. It's just a waiting game. Right? Who can be more patient? Who can be more patient? Right? But with that being said, guys, I hope you guys learned something. This is gonna be on my YouTube. I will upload it. I'll drop it in the FRX funding chat as well, level chat as well. So make sure you guys are plugged into those chats. I'm telling you guys should let me turn off the recording.